Welcome to Demo Auth0. My name is Shreya Gupta. I am your startups developer advocate by day and your Demo Auth0 host by night. We are here today with the founder of Waydev, who are building a tool that converts data from your engineering toolchain into actionable insights. Please welcome Alex Circei. Hi, Alex.
Hi. How are you?
Doing? I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing really well.
Yeah.
Thank you for inviting me, and let's do this.
Thank you so much for being here. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. I'm Alex. I'm 39. I started Waydev 8 years ago. This is not my first startup. I started my first company back in 2007 when I was 21. And I started Waydev from Europe. I'm originally from Romania. And I moved here first time 5 years ago. And I'm loving it, and we are growing Waydev from here.
That's awesome. Could you tell us a little bit about your origin story for Waydev? What sparked this idea?
Yeah, after 10 years of building a lot of products, and also I've run a software development agency back in the day, I realized we don't have a way to measure and to see the analytics behind software development. Like Salesforce or other tools, other markets, for software development, it was impossible to check exactly how the things are happening, except the Jira dashboards. You don't have something to zoom in the code, in the PRs, in all these things. And my vision was to, let's say, add all the signals into a platform and help you to see exactly what is happening there. And this is how we started Waydev. Now we have a lot of modules, enterprise customers. You can zoom in really in deep, but this is how we started.
Yeah, I mean, as a data person, clearly you know a lot about this space. Can you tell us more about why you think Waydev is successful from a competitive standpoint?
Yeah, I think we've connected deeply with the customers, and we have a lot of capabilities to adapt our platform to their needs. Mainly, we have a lot of customization, and we are able to tailor our platform for their needs, and to each team is different, each group of teams is different, and we have the capabilities to adapt and to offer a really tailored platform for their needs.
Absolutely. And how do you make these decisions on how you can tailor your product?
Mainly, we from the first call with the customer, we are trying to understand how they are doing software development, and then we are trying to help the customer to build themselves to add their modules, to configure the platform, and also we are adding some help to connect the platform exactly how they are doing software development and not to change anything in their platform.
Absolutely. That makes a lot of sense. You talk a lot about engineering productivity on your website. Could you tell us what that means to you?
Yeah, from our point of view, you can look at engineering productivity from multiple ways. One, to speed up the process, to have a better planning, to plan better, to improve the quality. Also to do a lot of automation in these days with LLMs and so on. And for us, it's all of this. Mainly depends on the goal of the company. If they are looking to build faster, we are helping that company to boost the productivity and to deliver faster by measuring the cycle time. If they are looking to deliver better quality as well, we help the company to deliver better quality. Mainly we are tailoring and we are helping the company where they are looking for to boost the productivity.
Okay, gotcha. And your target audience is software engineers, is that right?
Our target, indeed. We are working with the VPs of engineering and then engineering managers and engineers. We have these three roles that we are helping with our platform.
Gotcha. So even within your team, but also with your customers, how are you using AI and how are you enabling all of these different types of customers to use AI through Waydev?
Yeah, we have a module where we have a lot of features where we are enabling different innovation. One which is really nice is AI predictability, because in our data we can see what happened in the last 36 months. Also, we can predict the future and we can tell you how you can do better in the future. And we are giving tailored insights for the company to apply and to boost their productivity with everything that we've learned in the last 8 years. ingested in an LLM, and we are trying to help automatically each company with these kind of things. As well, we are helping the companies to measure the AI adoption. Now you are using a multitude of tools, Google, Anthropic, ChatGPT, and you don't know which is the most adopted in the company.
Yeah.
And we are adding all of these tools into our platform. As well, we have all the historical data from the last 3 years, and we can tell you, since you added AI, how the things changed in the company, and you are able to see if you really boost the productivity, which are the top engineers, top companies, top teams that are using AI and leveraging AI, and this is how we are doing it.
Gotcha. And when you talk about being able to predict the future, could you give an example of what type of data insights you need and then what type of future you can predict?
In Waydev, we have like 150 metrics for different goals, and mainly we know exactly what was your cycle time in the last year. Like 5 days to go from the first line of code till deployment. And with our LLM, we can predict that you can take this down to three days and 5 hours. And also we are giving you advice and things to follow in order to take this cycle time down. This type of insights we are offering for different goals.
Interesting. And then from the perspective of building Waydev and the product development side of things, how do you decide whether you're going to build everything in-house, whether you're going to leverage third-party tools like Auth0? How do you make those decisions?
Mainly we are looking at the cost. Also, this is something we have in the platform to measure the cost of a feature, because we can measure the FTE and you can see exactly what is the cost. And also for us, we are measuring the cost of opportunity or not. And we are trying to see how much time it will take if we'll build this internally, or if we'll use a different third-party tool that will help us to leverage and to accelerate the time to market.
Gotcha. So on that note, how did you decide to use Auth0 to support your B2B needs?
Mainly, we realized that we need to speed up the things and to go to the market really fast. As any software company today, they are looking to deliver really fast and to show the things to the customer. And I think Auth0, it was the perfect partner for us to add exactly all the things we needed. In about 1 week, we were ready to deploy the login and also the Auth 2.0. It was perfect.
Yeah. And what are some of the security concerns that you had in mind that made you decide to use this type of a tool?
Yeah, indeed. This is also a thing that help us not to spend like weeks or months in security compliance.
Yeah.
I think this was the best way of passing this with the security concerns.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Could you tell us a little bit more about what your vision is for the future of Waydev?
Yeah, we are looking at Waydev where we can measure everything. Now we have agents. We are looking to measure the agents, the productivity of the agents, how they are interacting with humans, and how the things are built in the future. And also to help the managers to manage more teams, because now everything will be more automated.
Yes.
And as well, we are helping these roles, the manager, the VP, as well the engineer, to build faster and with better quality.
Absolutely. And then if you had to speak to another founder who's also building a B2B product like Waydev, do you have any advice?
Yeah, I think they should look at a faster time to market. If they have an idea, use everything out there, Auth0, or any LLM, any company, Anthropic, Claude, to go directly to the customer and to validate their vision.
Yeah.
And as soon they have the first customers, they should accelerate and double down, and don't care too much about the quality of the code in the first couple of months, and look at the velocity and go to the customer and delivering value. I think I'm a YC alumni, and the code we have and the tagline, makes something people love.
Yeah.
And I think this is what everybody should do as a company.
Yeah, customer prioritization, absolutely. And then similar to that, do you have any advice for founders that are building AI products?
Yes, I think the most important thing is also to choose the right partner.
Mm-hmm.
We choose the Bedrock, AWS Bedrock,
Mm-hmm.
to remove a lot of the concerns from the start, and also other partners that will help you to go directly to the customer really fast.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for chatting with us and sharing all of your stories and your advice. Is there anything else that you want to share?
No, it was amazing. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Awesome. Thank you. And let us know if you have any questions.